Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. So I'm going to take you back, just a few charts because let's see. I always have new people, so they need to know what the heck is happening, right? So this is the monthly chart, gold monthly chart I made a long time ago in December 22, right? And we're supposed to be finishing this wave 3, wave 4, and this big wave 5 also was underway, and then wave 5 also have 5 waves, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is wave 5 of wave 5, right? So we're supposed to be going higher than this wave 3 somewhere there. So we started to do that, and then I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between. So here in March 2024, we end up doing this and this, wave 1, 2, and then I said, okay, now we are going for wave 3, followed by wave 4, and then wave 5, and then blue count 5 will finish, and then this black count 3, 4, 5 will be finishing here somewhere. So this chart, let me just forward that. We went up big time, right? And then very close to this target, but then we start wobbling and then we fall into wave 4. So this is a small chart now. This is a daily chart. Whereas I'm showing that this is what this was cooking in between from here to here, right? So what happened is that this wave 1, 2, 3, and then I says, well, we're going to be coming down here for wave 4 as a expanded flat, right? A, B, C, and then from here, we might be able to go to the upside again. So I'm going to fast forward this, and then you can see that this is how the 40-minute chart, I was tracking this, right? So forget about that. I'm going to be sticking to daily chart here. So like 2nd June, I had this chart. And then after that, let me show you that what daily chart I had, and we started from there. So July 2nd, and then July 6th, I made this chart. It started to go to the upside, and then I made another chart that, okay, this is how we are ending the week. And then when the new week starts, so somewhere here, we're going to bounce and then go back up again, right? From this high to maybe come down for low, because this is like wave 1, 2, 3 was finished. So I said maybe wave 4 to the downside, and then wave 5, and so on and so forth. So for this chart so far, I had this, like I said, 1, 2, 3. I was expecting that down move for wave 4, and it came, and then wave 5, and powerfully going to the upside. This is 11 July, and then we ended up the last week like that. Then last week, Friday, it is start to drop a little bit, right? And from there on, let me show you that, what really happened. Let me see if I have it here. Now, this one, okay, this is the chart that, the daily chart, we ended up like this on July 11th, right? So we were going to the upside nicely. And this is, I said that we're going to be coming down a little bit and then going to the upside. So that's exactly what happened. And then we started to go to the upside. Then the trades I was taking when it was going to the upside was this on the 15th, this week, right? This week it started, and this is what happened. I'm just going to show you the trade first, and then I'm going to show the higher time frame, and then I'll show you my trades and the box size and everything. So this is the one on 15th, yesterday, and then comes 16th. So today, earlier, I had this entry here from here to here, from 2430 to 2440, from 150 box size. This was from 200 box size. So these are the two different box sizes that I'm using for entry, right? Now, oh, my mouse battery. Okay. So what happened then? This one came in right after that, and it dropped here, and this is a 400 brick size, like 40-minute chart, right? So 200 box size means 20 minutes. So instead of 40 and 20, that's confusing, right? So I said, and especially it was confusing to me because I was using the 1,000 and 400 and 200, and what I says, what the heck? So I rewrote these charts, right? And I open the new charts exactly the way that the brick sizes are. Like 1,000 brick size chart, I call it 1,000. 400, 400. 200 and 200 and 150 is the chart is called itself is a 150. So now I know that 150 means 150 box size. Simple as that. So now I'm not confused anymore. So gold 4 hour chart, it is like 4 hour regular chart, right? So my candles, the Renko candles that I'm using is because that I made the EA, and when you're using regular candlestick, you have wicks, spikes here there that destroy the EA function, right? So the way that my EAs are, my EAs has to be very precise with the price, right? So precise prices, price movement. So these candles are perfectly fine with that. So my alarm or EN, everything is working perfectly now. So 400 box size is like 4 hour chart. Now I have all kind of people joining me and then in my group, right? Some like to make the entry and trade from 5 minute chart, regular chart I'm talking about, 5 minute. Some like to make the entries from 15. Some like to make the entry from 1 hour chart, and some like longer time frame, like 4 hour chart, right? So I saw the opportunity to show that if you can even take the entry from a higher time frame based on looking at the chart. I was watching this chart. Let me go on the live chart here, gold. And if you look at this 4 hour chart, I mean 400 box size chart, not only this, go back. What the heck is that? All right, so go back here and then look at this, right? From here. See, this was a beautiful entry on 400 box size. Then this was a beautiful entry and the big entry and big trade, big, huge trade. This was a big trade. So these are the three trades, nice and clean. And this dip all the way is not an entry, right? But this is the and this is why I use the 1,000 brick size, because this is a retracement, perfect retracement and long setup on 1,000 brick size. Let me show it to you. This is 1,000 one. So you see, this is the dip. What is the time here? No, not this one. What is the time here? 7/12, July 12, right? And look, this is where July 12. So now, once I have this here, this is for me. Okay, don't open that, and you don't need that really. So this gives me a very good idea that okay, it's about time to go to the upside again for maybe a few hundred pips, right? Just like from here, went there, then from here, it's gonna go to the upside. Then 400 box size gives me a lot of setups, actually, not entries, setup, but you can make the entries just like I did today, right? If you want. I usually don't do that. I'm good with 200 or 150 box size. But I just took the 40-minute, 400 box size entry as well, just to show that that also works very good. So here was the 40-minute 400 box size chart, and this was the entry. So it was bouncing from here. So I missed all of that, right? Because yesterday I was doing something else, and but this is where, look, this is 7:15. It started actually 7:15 yesterday. It started from here. It came down. This was an opportunity which I completely forgot to look. To be honest with you, I think my 40-minute was not there, and I wasn't aware that this was happening. But anyway, so it went up and then it dipped, and you see this here, the first entry here from here. That's from my 200 or 150 box size that you just saw. Have on this was on 15. So let me go back and then show it to you. Okay, I'll show it later. So this is the first trade from here to here, from the smaller time frame to 150. Then again it dipped, so I said, okay, let it come down, no problem. And then it started to go up again, and this is, again, I had an entry from 24.30 and got out 24.40. So you see that in these small moves, I'm just like hit and run, coming and getting out, right? Then again, it dropped. This is the one that I posted on the Telegram as well, right? So I posted that, okay, let me take that one. So you know that my Telegram, I do not post direct signals that, buy now or sell now, because that brings a responsibility on me, right? So, and then, so, instead of saying that, I just say that there is a long setup building up, or there is a short setup building up. That means that I am taking it. It's up to you if you want to take it or not, right? So, but you cannot come back that, oh, you said so and Allah so pay me back. No, I cannot, I'm not responsible. I'm just showing my system and then I'm telling you that there is a setup, right? So this is like just for, legal purpose that, for my safety, right? Because I've been sued before and, I don't want that problem anymore. Calling directly because everybody knows where I am, right? You know that. So this is how it is. So I posted that. Before that, I posted that. Okay, here, watch. Gold bounced from 24.31 and now may be going for 24.50. So I put the daily chart, the one that we had, and then I said, well, it is going so far so good, beautifully going to the upside, right? And then I post the note there, so get the highs and lows, all these numbers from this chart, and then post on your, entry charts, right? So that was so. This is I was expecting, and I was like, okay, let's go see what happened. And then the 40-minute chart I posted here that okay, gold's 40-minute making a long, and that's the one that I took the long as well. See, okay, let's see. This one is so good and this one is so good. So let's see how I can do with this ones. And then, very good from 24.35 to all the way to 24.60. But not only that, going to the upside, just like always, going to the upside, this dip, small dip, and here going to the upside, this is small dip. These are the 200 or 150 box size. Why 150? Because 200 is a little bit bigger, 150 is a little bit less. So when the move is fast, sometimes you do not get, the retracement is not enough and the price do not come into the wave and touch the yellow line. One of the code is that the price must touch the yellow line, right? So if it is a little bit higher, for example, here, so see the price is higher than the yellow, so the alarm will not, or the EO will not work. Here it will work because it touched the yellow line, right? This is one of the conditions. So I said, okay, so make it 150 as well. So if not 200, then 150 probably will take it. And that combination is working very well for me, right? And sometimes both take it. And it just happened to me. Today, 200 chart also opened the trade on my my son's computer, Omar. And then I got 150 on my account, right? So you got both of them, no problem, right? But if 200 misses, then you at least get the 150 entry anyway, right? So these are the small entries that you take. And then I have 200 from there and then 150 on my account. And then all four trades, this one and this one, all they went up nice and clean. So now what I'm saying is that let me finish showing you this, that this is what happened. There's a 40-minute entry here, right? The first one that I posted on the Telegram. And after that, this one here, look, this is the 150 box size, right? I had an entry, this one here, it went up, I moved a little bit, and then it came down and with little loss, I got out, and then again here, EA opened the trade again, buy order. It's right there. So it went all the way. So 24.50 was just history because I held it because my daily chart, my daily chart showing that we're supposed to go way higher, right? So after the news, usually that happened because news is the one that comes in and then push the market, right? So nothing was moving, gold was moving. So I said, everybody's on the gold, so the gold is going to fly. And it did. And then the other trade was like from from 150, right? And then this one here, like 200. This looks a little, a couple of wobbles here because this is, he had it like refresh it very often. So that happened after the refresh chart. This is how you see a couple of more wobbles. No, it's no big deal, right? So this is how 150 got the entry, 200 got the entry, and 40-minute also entry. Now, depend on your style that if you want to trade longer time frame, then I suggest that okay, use the 40-minute short entry. 40-minute chart means 400 box size, right, for entry. If not, then 200 is the best one, which is in the middle. And if you have more monitors or more computer that you can watch more charts and you have access to that, then I would suggest that on one computer open only gold with 400, 200, and 150. And then wait for my, well, you don't even have to wait, right? We do the webinar Wednesday and Sunday, and I show you the chart there, what is, gold and Bitcoin, what they are doing and what we're supposed to be doing. So you have the idea, then that's, this pair is going to go up and this instrument or this asset is going to go down. Then you take, especially gold. This is only for gold, by the way. These bricks box sizes are only for gold. Don't try this on the Forex pairs. They are 40 and 20 exactly the same as always, right? Gold is the one that I'm, telling you that these are the box sizes, because I got a couple of emails that, what box size are you using, because our chart looks different. Yes, but understand that we have different charts, right? Like regular candlestick, right? You have a daily chart, you have 4-hour chart, then 1-hour chart, a 30-minute chart, a 15-minute chart, and you can make entry from anywhere. This is the beauty about it. That once you understand the system, the entry system, the rules, the 4 rules that we have, you can have sometimes those setups on 150, 200, sometimes 400, even 1,000, right? This, let me see, 1,000-minute box size, that the chart I have, this is the entry. This is the entry, right? Right there, right there. The beautiful entry there. So bigger time frame or smaller time frame. Choose whatever you like. And, if you have time and you can sit in front of the computer, you don't even, in any of that, you don't need to sit in front of the computer. You open the 20-minute and 150, 20 box size or 150, then put your alarm. Some of you have the alarm version, some of you have the robot, right? So just place on that. I place the robot, right? All of my trades are taken by the robot because I have tons other things to do. Right, one-on-one I have to do, and then email, answering the email, and then courses, that this and that, a lot of things, and then check everything else for good setups. So and then post things on the Telegram, and then Facebook, and then YouTube channel, make videos. So so what the hell with it? I can't watch the charts all the time, so I just put my robot there, and it takes the trades, right? So this is how it is. I hope that I explained it. And this is the main chart. I would say that this is the main chart, 400. 400 itself gives you very, very good entry. And then once the 400 setup start to move, right, or up or down on both sides, you have a long setup here, long setup here, long setup here. As soon as it start to play out, then you have a shot at 200 box size entry or 150 box size entry as well. So you have trades everywhere, to be honest with you, right? And that's why, I had this trade, 200 box size. I had this, I already showed it here, right? So 3 or 4 trade only today, all long, beautiful trades based on this strategy, this system, right? So I have, multiple computer. That's an edge I have, and I place, different things on different, and then I have one computer completely, separate for gold. And I have 2 broker open, that one with 1,000 and 150, and then the other one is for 400 and 200 box size charts. They are open all the time. My daily charts, my weekly charts, all of that on that computer. So I am very well aware of what the heck is happening, right? I hope I explained it good enough. And still, if you don't understand something or if you need to, clarification, then email me after the video, okay? And another thing that my mouse is keep freezing is because I think it's a battery. Need to change the battery. Another thing is that remember that I was talking about that I'm making a course that will be free. Basic things, basic course, basic things about how to move around in MT4 and do this and do that, right? So people are sending me pictures, screenshots in a weird way, taking from the cell phone and all that. I can't even read. So a lot of videos that I posted over there, and they are on my. Let me see if I have it here. Yeah, so right there under the courses, you see this Trading 101 course. This is what it is. It's free, and it has I think it has 10, 15 videos so far. How to find target and how to find so a little bit about the Elliott Wave, little bit information about the harmonic pattern, what they are, how to trade. Not in very much detail. If very much detail, these are the courses, right? But this is just an overview that one should know about this business before you try to do anything live account, right? So, and I will keep adding videos in there. It's not completely free. It's like, I think Omar put it like 99 cents or something, because I said that whatever we get, we're gonna send out to charity or something. So that's need to think about other people as well, needy people, right? So trading 101 is is a course is ready. I still need to make an introductory video, which I will make it today. But yeah, like I said, the 12 or 15 videos, something like that, they are there, and that's it. So this is it for now. And like I said, that if you have if you don't understand still about gold and boxes and anything, just email me, then I will get back to you. All right. So bye for now, and hopefully talk to you guys tomorrow in the webinar.